Hello friend, I am Vivas Malik, and in this video I'll show you how you can get a premium web hosting in a completely free. So for this you need to watch this complete video, and for the requirement of to get web hosting you don't need any payment gateway or any card detail or anything. Here you can see this is my one of account, and you can also see the platform, that is a2z server.com and active service 1. Let's click on this, and here you can see uh, a plan is active and the cost is almost $6 annually, and next due date is 2025 for 14, and this web hosting completely free for 1 year. So please watch this complete video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find some awesome useful tutorial for your. Let's start this tutorial. First of all you will need to go to a link, that is this is the link, or you can simply visit my website URL, that is khalifablogs.blogspot.com. I'll give my blog URL in this video description, and in a comment box also you will get the referral link, offer link from my website, so don't worry about that. Here you can see, let me show you some proof also. Here you can see same A to Z server and invoice payment. Here you can see total cost $0, and this is another account, and you can see also this is the date also. You can check 14 April, customer invoice, due date 2024 4/14, same as another order confirmation email, invoice payment. Let's first of all you need to this invite link, this offer link. I'll provide this link in this video description or on my blog website. So simply go to this link. Don't worry about the this left date. If you are watching this video after 1 day or 2 day or 1 week, you will get also a discount, so don't worry. Simply go to the link, then click on this basic option. You will get all of these thing. Simply click on this buy now. Now here you need to transfer your domain or register new domain. Don't worry if you have already a domain on any register like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or SiteGround or HostGator or anything, any register, just select third option. I will use my existing domain and update my name server. Simply put here your domain name. For example, for this video I got GitHub developer pack domain that is free. I registered a domain from the GitHub developer pack, and that is opodify.tech domain. Let me zoom. I use this register because I got free domain from here. But if you have a domain in another register, simply go to your domain panel and update your DNS. Just copy this your domain URL, then go to this website a2zserver.com. Simply paste here, and the last domain extension you need to put here. Let's delete this, then click on use. Now here you can see a quick message, that is the domain is not pointed to our name server. Please point it to our name server first. So let's point it to our hosting name server. Go to the your domain register and click on manage or update DNS or name server. Simply paste here. Need to put multiple name server. Then click on modify name server. Here you can see your bulk action has successfully started. Then again go to a2zserver.com and click on click on continue. Again click on use. Still our name server is not updated. Let's wait for few minutes. It's depend upon different register. Click on modify name server 1 and 2. Modify name server. Here you can see this order will be completed in a couple of minutes, so wait for few minutes. It's depend upon your register. Here you can see now our domain is verifying and it will verified. Now here is the method. I will provide you a coupon code that is free hosting. Just put it, click on here, then click on this validate code. Here you can see the original cost is $6 annually and now it is $0. So click on checkout button. Now we need to fill this form. Then we need to generate a password, copy. You can also use your custom password and put here your email address also. Then you need to choose this UPI QR code. Then select this agree. Then click on captcha button. I am not a robot. Scroll up, fill this form according to you. Then click on complete order. Here you can see our order is confirmation number, and simply you can copy this also. Then click on continue to client area and let's check email address. Here you can see our service is activated. Click on this service button. Here you can see, and no SSL found. We need to install this manually. Simply click on. Here you can see we got a order confirmation and order invoice, welcome message and email verification also. We need to verify our email address. We don't need to verify mobile number, so you can use multiple account also if you have a multiple domain. And if you don't have a multiple domain, then you can simply contact me on Instagram. I will provide you .me, .tech and .live domain in a very cheap price. And this is the order confirmation and customer voice. Here you can see order number and verify this order number from here: 24397425 and 44, and same number also here. And this is the annual cycle. Original cost is $6 and total due date $0. We have verified our email address. So by this way you can get a completely free 1 year hosting without any payment method or anything. So if you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will provide the offer link on my blog website. So please visit my blog website. I will update a new blog post on my blog website, so you need to visit my blog website. And if you need Prime Video private account or old Facebook page or GitHub Student Developer Pack account or Skillshare 3 month or 2 month or 1 month account private account or Canva Premium for one month or 6 month or 1 year private account on your email address, or Grammarly Premium or Office 365 key or Skimming Frog license or Windows 10/11 original license key or Edu email or Moz Pro, then please contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price. Or if you are looking for any WordPress theme, then please you can also contact me on Instagram. I will provide you GPL license version WordPress theme in a completely cheap price, so don't worry, you need. And if you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching video.